Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you are watching me from. Before I start, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share, comment as well. As you do, God bless you. My topic of today now, please parents, stop eating cassava in front of children. Please. Because the video wey dem send for me, the video was horrible. That video was horrible. A child of 7 years, the way the child was screaming in that video, in short, for my mind I say this child don't tell where they practice this thing. Because the video the woman say as mama dey leave am for inside house, the mama wan comot for house, e come meet am say I leave my baby girl for inside house o, abeg me dey look am. Na e say okay o, but the next thing never even reach 20-30 minutes, the way the pikin dey do for inside house, I say who dey beat am, abi mama don come, she no know. Na she come go look, because the child just busy dey do wetin she dey do. The pikin no even notice am say person even open door whatever. He look am, he come say wetin be this one, only my eye no go see. Na she come go video the thing. As she video am, na she come call the girl. After the video, she come call her, what are you doing? He come say aunty, I'm playing. Fine. The girl say make I use am take do video, so that most parents go learn from it as well. If they like, they learn o, they go still pick some few things inside this video. Say because most parents dey think say you fit do kelewa for front of child without the child no go even know wetin dey do. No, child wey don even reach 3 years you suppose do kelewa for front of that child. Parents abeg, because that video wey I watch, that video wey e send come for me, no, the video was horrible. Mothers abeg, parents abeg, even though say na you, no be you born the pikin, but you dey friend the mama, abeg no spoil that pikin for your mama hand, abeg. Because I know say moreover some women see too much for una go do kelewa for afternoon when pikin dey inside bed with una go do kelewa in the morning when pikin dey inside bed with una go do kelewa in the night when pikin dey inside bed with una. Una take am easy, wetin dey happen? And moreover, the person wey send me this video now, he say that man no be even the father of the child, na boyfriend, because dem dey camp. Na camp dem dey, camp na Jamie, na the thing for even happen. Na camp dem dey, na im roommates. Some parents go feel say pikin dey sleep, we fit do kelewa, the pikin no go know. No, they go know. When you wan even do kelewa, maybe na dey stay one room, for example, maybe self-contained, pikin dey sleep, pikin bed dey inside the room una dey stay, okay fine. If you wan even do kelewa, make una off lights. No on any light, small light or big light, no on am. No on television. Make sure say everything is off. And no scream. Because na that screaming wey that pikin learn from im mother, na he scream for that video. He scream for video. Only God know wetin she dey do now wey she still dey scream that screaming. He talks nonsense word wey I no fit talk for this video. He talk nonsense word. The way im mother dey do exactly, na that pikin practice for there. I no fit talk am for video here. I no fit even play am sef. I no fit even play am at all. Because e no good for ear. Abeg my parents, abeg, if una wan do kelewa, say maybe say una dey self-contained with the child inside the room, abeg, if una wan do kelewa, make sure say una off television, una off light, and don scream. And moreover, if pikin don go school in the afternoon, man and woman fit do kelewa. No say some women dey fit dey bear am o. They go say dem wan you do kelewa, na. As you just say hold them, and dem wan you do am, I understand. But no scream like say tomorrow no dey. You forget say na you get child for inside house. You forget say even na boy or girl, don't even scream at all. No let that pikin know say una dey do something inside house. Okay, some parents will say e don sleep. Pikin fit just sleep now, you go just wake up inside midnight. You no go even know. You go just wake up, or the scream fit still wake am. You go just fall down like this. You go just dey look. You go say you go just dey lis ten to wetin una do from beginning to the end. But you feel say the pikin dey sleep, whereas it's not sleeping. You know, they sleep. I know say some women they feel they resist am. Abeg, to the extent that this child, for you to destroy your child, abeg get patience. When the child no dey house, maybe don't go school, Anyway you like, say you want for do one for this far, no be where that pikin dey. Even though you want to for where the pikin dey, no scream, off light, make sure say you na room dark before you start dey do your kelewa, so that the child no go know wetin mama and papa dey do. So that be my little advice for the parents. So like my video, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. As you do, God bless you. Because the woman say, I got okay, when the girl they ask me now, say she fit tell her mom. I say yes, tell her mom. If her mom deny and say no be her daughter, then you show on the video. But if her mom no deny, as you tell me say make I delete my own as well, delete your own, because your phone fit still lost. If you still lost, as you watch my office now, delete am. Because your phone fit still lost now, or nobody can say. Mother fit you pick up your phone later. Maybe mother fit you pick your phone one day, see your look, so delete her immediately. Instead me say she go delete am, but I say talk to the mother first. Tell her say wetin you see pikin dey do for inside. I say you don't like am. Not show her the video. As I said, not show her the video, but just tell her first. She said make I use that do video. Say use that do video, but don't show the video. That's why I for not fit show one, because the video was horrible. I cannot even show it. Not everything the person they show for YouTube. No, not the law. I not fit show one. I beg my parents. I beg. I use this opportunity to come and beg my parents. I beg. These children wey we born so, we say they don't know anything. We they sleep. If we do anything we like, no. You don't dey born, pikin don dey pass 3 years. I beg my parents, don't scream when you are doing kelewa in front of your child. Please, don't scream when you are doing cassava in front of your child. Very wrong. Fine, our parents do on those days, but it wasn't a good thing. It not dey good, it not be even good thing to say that they not train 7 children for one room. Fine, it wasn't a good thing. Not be wetin okay. Now wetin you want to teach your child now at this particular age? No. Now make it go school first. Make it become somebody first. Don't be saying they do nuisance. I beg my parents. I beg. Make we concentrate on our make we face our children first, because they come first. Forget cassava. Don't have my little advice. I know say some women will see pics of little things here when they say they don't know. Child don't pass 3 years. No, they do kelewa for in front. He know everything. He no come tell you, no me say no know anything, no know what you do. He know everything. He know everything. I beg my fellow women out there, my parents, my father out there, stop doing cassava in front of your children. Kelewa, stop doing it in front of your children. Very bad. Because we feel say the children are small picking. If you picking at 1 year, 2 years, fine, you can do it. But when picking don't pass 3 years, make them start to do for your children day. You know they are advisable. You know they good because of those children. I bet, because thank God say now, this child now, he never go do am for school. Thank God say never one day tell him classmates, say see wetin him mama and papa dey do for his house. Thank God say never discuss am with anybody before. I be luck now. So I beg, wanna share this video, wanna share and maybe some mothers will still learn a lot inside this video, because most people don't know before. They'll say, I know me, I feel doing it for my children. They know if you do what you want to front of your children when they are sleeping in bed, don't scream. Don't even let that child know so you do something. I beg, don't scream. Let them day your mind. When they know they have in the afternoon, or maybe they know they go school in the morning or afternoon, you can scream as you like. If you want to fall the house, fall the house. But when the children are maybe in the night, now the children don't inside in our room, they don't sleep. I beg my mothers, it's not advisable. I love you with the love of God. I see you in the next video. Bye. Kisses for you all. Bye.